Welcome to my channel. Here we have 5 plus 2 parenthesis 6 to the power of 2 divided by 3. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 6 to the power of 2 divided by 3. 6 to the power of 2 will give us 36, which is 6 times 6. Then divided by 3. We'll put it in our parenthesis. Then we have 5 plus 2. So 36 divided by 3 will give us 12. Then we have 5 plus 2 times 12. 5 plus 2 will give us 7. Then 7 times 12 will give us 84. And what if I say 84 is the wrong answer to this question? Because we did not work according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have the parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to have a very correct answer. So let's dive into the right answer to this question. First of all, we solve our parentheses, which is 6 raised to the power of 2 divided by 3. So 6 times 6 will give us 36. Then 36 divided by 3. Then we'll bring down 5 plus 2. 36 divided by 3 will give us 12. Then we'll bring down our 5 plus 2 times 12. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, know that there's a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication here. So here we have multiplication and an addition. We first of all solve our multiplication first before addition because it comes first. So 2 times 12 will give us 24. Then we have our 5 plus 24. 5 plus 24 will give us 29. So 29 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.